Ah, Hello guys. Bale, ang topic ko ngayon is all about materials. So let us see, let us try to create a box. So ito yung box natin. Yan. Okay. And then, baguhin ko, i-modify ko. Gagawin ko siyang 50 by 50 by 50. Okay. Then, lalagay ko siya medyo sa gitna. And then, I'll try to make it farther, no? Okay, and then yan. Then this is the material editor. Okay, you just click that and it will appear. Okay? So okay, lagay ko muna siyang ganun doon para bumalik sa default. Then you can assign a material, no? Dalawa 'yan. Pwede mong maging slate material sa mga advanced user na 'yan. And then, pagka hindi ka pa naman ganong advanced, dito ka muna sa compact material editor. Okay? And then, you can rename, no? Those are slots, no? Okay? Slots. And then, you can rename this one as, for example, I will try to make it wood. Wood. Okay, kung marami kang type of wood, so make it wood underscore 01. Okay? Then, you can select the wood here. Glossy varnish wood. Okay, and then you can this button is the assign. Okay, let us assign yun. Okay, yan ang lalabas yan. Okay, then kung gusto mo naman, you can select this one and then you can change the material by making it, okay, for example, this one is masonry. Okay, and then assign it to the material, this one, this button, assign. Look at that. Okay, and then you can rename it as masonry 01. Okay, so for the next topic, I will show you how to modify the texture and how to get from the internet. Okay, so many textures from the internet. Papalitan natin yung texture according to our wishes. Okay, so that's it.